Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam and this is 16 Candles Clethra in 2 minutes. Clethra is one of my favorite flowering shrubs, mainly because it blooms in the late summer with these incredibly fragrant flowers. You just cannot imagine how great the smell is on this plant. Some people call it sweet pepper bush. It goes by several different names. It's native to the eastern United States. It's hardy in zone 3 to 9, so almost anybody watching me can grow this plant. Not that tolerant of clay soil, so if you have clay soil, mound them up just a little bit. Bees, hummingbirds, and butterflies go crazy for this plant when it's in bloom. It doesn't bloom until July or August. Most of your other things will be finished blooming, so it's great for the pollinators when they don't necessarily have a lot of other things to choose from. It also brightens up your yard when everything else is finished as well. This is 16 Candles is a compact growing variety, only gets about 4 to 5 feet in height. There's one called Hummingbird that's also white. Ruby Spice is one I grew for years. It's kind of a pink, almost pink, dark pinkish color. These are just fantastic plants. The foliage is beautiful when they leaf out. They flower through the summer, and then they have great fall color as well. They're disease and insect resistant, deer resistant. Not a lot you have to do with these. They would appreciate a little bit of extra water when they're flowering, I'm sure, because they don't flower until July and August. They're going to be listed for sun or part shade on most tags. I've got this one in a lot of shade, and the further south you go, I think the more shade tolerant they actually are as you go up towards zone 3. Probably very sun tolerant. They bloom on new growth, so you can cut this thing hard in the late winter and kind of rejuvenate it if you need to. They can be fertilized at the exact same time. If you want something that flowers, it's great for pollinators, that's fragrant, blooms when nothing else is blooming, try this 16 Candles Clethra. So thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. I frequently have a longer version of these videos on my channel that may show me planting them and maybe some additional information that I didn't share in this shortened version. I also have playlists on this channel for very specific needs. If you're looking for screening plants or foundation plants or shade plants, or you're in like zone 6 or 7, I have playlists that include all the plants that will grow in your area. So look for those playlists on my channel. Thanks for watching.